Happy Monday morning, everyone. I hope everyone had a great, nice, relaxing weekend, and we are going to have a great start to another wonderful virtual week. Today is our Teacher in Service Day, and so we are going to make the most of it. I just thought I would give a couple of things to make note of that we need to work on today. Very first thing that I would like to touch on, ELA teachers. I have marked all of the students complete with the other courses in Edgenuity. However, ELA teachers, I cannot mark that course complete until those written assignments are graded. So please make sure that you make it a priority this morning to go back in and grade any assignment that is open, that is written, so that we can go ahead and get those done. And if you will email me when you are finished, then I can go back in and mark your courses as complete as well. All right, second thing, packets. We will be picking up, the parents will be picking up packets from 2 to 6 today from the front office. But every time we do this, we learn a little bit. So last time we learned that it was very chaotic trying to find particular subjects. So this time when you are developing the packets for those students that do not have internet, which there's not that many of them, please go ahead and put all subjects in one packet. So for instance, 8th grade will have 4 subjects in a packet. Now, if you're using a workbook or whatever, that's understandable. You can attach it to it, no problem. But if it is something else anything that can go inside the packet, please use that packet. So it's just one place to grab and disperse to the parents. So it makes it a lot easier for the ones that are up front. So again, 2 to 6 parents can go pick those packets up. Next thing, we do have a lot of students that are going to be going from virtual to face starting tomorrow. So homeroom teachers, I need you to reach out to those students, make sure that they know their schedules, make sure that they have understood who they're rostered with, because they will not even know when to log in to the Google Meets or to go to the lessons in Google Classroom unless they know who their teachers are. So homeroom teachers, if you can reach out to your homeroom students that are going from virtual back to face, so that we can make sure that they know where they're supposed to be, when they're supposed to be there. And also make sure that we have those Google Classroom codes, so that we can give them those, because starting tomorrow, that's where they're going to get their instruction. So let's make sure that we take care of those students. Last but not least, I just wanted to tell the ones that did videos last week, great job, wonderful. I know it is not mandatory to do a pre-recorded lesson. However, I did want to speak real quickly to all the teachers that came to me on Friday, and to let you know there is quite a benefit for students that cannot get online when we are presenting a live Google lesson. It is nice when they can go back and watch that video. Again, it is not required, but it is highly recommended. So if you get a chance today to make a video for tomorrow, so a student that may not have access to technology during the day can go back later and look and watch that, that's wonderful. But with that being said, after 5 to 10 minutes, it takes quite a while to download a video. So you might want to play with that today and see exactly what length is comfortable for us to be or feasible for us to download, and what do you need to include, what meat do you need to include in that video, and then you will know for your lesson to go and you can add all the details and the bells and whistles. So again, the video, just the meat of it, and then our live lesson can be all the extras. So if you need any help with that, please let me know. Pre-recorded lessons are not mandatory, but they are highly recommended. So I am here if you need me. That's all I have. One more time. Written essays, ELA teachers, we need to get those in for grading. Packets by team, please. Reach out to new students by homeroom. And their pre-recorded lessons. Let's play with those and see how long it takes to download. Okay, guys. Thank you so much, and I hope you have a great day.